Second grade, week 18, continuing our bear story here about animals. I checked out a trunk from the zoo about bears, and in it are lots of artifacts, or what we call biofacts in science. Some of the things that they've given us, they've given us some different size of baby bears. Like this is a brand new, born in a den during hibernation bear that weighs only 1 pound. Then when it comes out of the den, it begins to grow fast. So it's just little stuffed animals, but shows them different sizes of bears. They gave us a really nice bear hide that we can stretch out and show the kids that it still has the claws intact. And then you can flip it over. The pads are still here on the bear. They've also given us quite a few tracks to look at. These are made of rubber, so we can pass them around. They can lay it on there and see how it compares. We have several different size tracks. Here's a great big grizzly bear track. Here's a different size track. We have a really nice skull that's on loan. It's plastic. It won't hurt to pass it around, let it feel of it. It does come apart into 2 parts so they can see the hinge of the jaws. So that's fine to pass around. They gave us some things bears eat, like berries, grapes. And then they have to understand they're omnivores, so they also eat meat. When we're looking at the tracks, it's nice to be able to look at the claws. See how sharp they are. You can pass these around. Probably the most interesting thing on the whole, in the whole trunk, is what we call scat. Scat is actually bear poop, or scat is any poop from a wild animal. Scientists actually use this to identify an animal that's been on a trail. There's actually identification books of scat books, so you can identify it. Included is a poster they gave on what happens to people if they kill a bear in Texas. So it's always fun to read that to them. And then I still have the bears set up in the middle of the classroom. So just have them gather around on the mats again. And you have your book you can read to them. And if they come up with any questions, maybe about the bear, maybe the book will answer it, or we can look it up. But that'll be week 18's lesson. Thank you.